Hey guys, how you going? Today we're going to have a bit of a chinwag about technical sections. Knowing the trail and knowing your line is super important, especially when you're going to attack a section like this. Secondly, I'd say, having a really good position on your bike. You want to have high elbows, slightly bent knees, you want to be dropping your heels, and you want to be keeping your chin up and looking through the section. If you're sort of dispersing your weight properly over your bike and you're coming into a section like this, less likely to sort of get drawn offline under impacts. So what you're doing is you're remaining nice and light on the bike, yet you're really strong on the bike. Probably the third thing is managing your speed. Sometimes the fastest is the fastest. I know that sounds silly, but if you manage your speed before you hit a section like this, and you sort of estimate how fast you can hit this section, then you're not going to be really doing much braking through the section, so you're going to sort of maintain momentum. If you do make a mistake, the first thing you want to do in your head is you want to grab a handful of brakes and slow yourself down. But you sort of want to do the complete opposite. You sort of want to maintain your speed. But the trick I like is if you keep your chin up and you actually concentrate on the exit of the section, you'll find 99 times out of 100, if you do get a little bit squirrely through a section like this, you're going to ride right out of it. So check it out. We're going to hit this section now and see what you think.